Welcome back to ConsciousTraveler.co. My name is Victoria, and today I'm going to review one of the products that I have available on my website or my travel blog. It is called To Go Ware utensil set. This is a takeaway or take with you bamboo utensil set. It is an inexpensive item. It is under $20. It is available through my website, or you can click the link below this video. I am an Amazon affiliate, so I do earn a small commission if you do decide to purchase it through me. It's at no extra cost to you. It also will take you directly to this company, which this company has their own page on Amazon. It's called To Go Ware. So the benefits of this, bringing these bamboo utensils along with you, is number one, of course, it is an eco-friendly product. And if you are looking to begin to eliminate some of the plastics in your life, this is a great way to start. It's easy to adapt to. You pack it in your bag, you hook it to your backpack, take it with you on a hike, clip it to your kid's backpack or lunchbox. Go to a food truck festival, great thing. When traveling, take these with you. They're washable. The great things about bamboo is, number one, it's antibacterial, bacterial naturally. Bamboo grows every 3 feet, so it's constantly growing. It's easy to grow bamboo. It is also releases oxygen into the air, takes in CO2. It is compostable. It is biodegradable, and they do not use pesticides to grow bamboo. It creates a lot of jobs. They use it in building materials. They use it for cutting boards. You're going to find a lot of bamboo in a lot of products. I think they may even use it for clothing. I'm not even sure, but this is a great place to start. And especially now with COVID-19, when you go to a restaurant, we went out to a restaurant over the weekend, and they didn't even give us stainless steel utensils. We got plastic utensils. So because they're trying to eliminate the cross-contamination of the COVID, and so everybody's upping their plastics right now. So this is a great way to take a little bit of control of that back by taking these bamboo utensils yourself. So you just wash them off or wipe them off when you're there, and then give them a good wash when you get home. Easy to use, great product, highly recommend it. And I will do this with a lot of the products that I have on my website, because I like to try things out myself and get a real idea of the quality of the product before I will post it on my website. This company, again, is called To Go Ware. If you'd like to purchase it, you can go to ConsciousTraveler.co. There's a link below this video, or you can go, if you access this video through my website, then just go to the shop products page, and you'll find this on the eco-friendly page for the products. Or you can click the link directly below this video and get connected directly to the To Go Ware page on Amazon. And that's about it. Have a great day, and get on your way to zero plastics. That's a big jump, but hey, it's a start. Take it one step at a time, and just think of all the plastics you would save, of all the forks and knives and things that you use when you're out, just by using this simple tool. And it's just great by bringing this along with you. It's light, it's lightweight, it's not heavy, and so worth it. And it's less than $20. It makes a great gift for the holidays, stocking stuffers, whatever you want to use. So highly recommend it. And have an amazing day. Take care. Bye-bye.